Alejandro Zubiate Hermosillo, quien dirigirá también unas palabras.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we gather here to celebrate an ending, but also a beginning of a cycle in the lives of many students that I'm here to represent and speak for in this moment. Our group symbolizes an inspiration of many people that one day have the dream to educate, not only in the basic learning, but as well in values and moral. And that's why we would like to start this Colegio Cumbres first generation acknowledgement, giving thanks to those who are guides, counselors, friends, examples, and sometimes even nurses or therapists. They are our teachers who help us not only learn and understand math, science, history, and both language, but also how to apply these matters in life. And what's more, they taught us how to think by yourself and how to express and communicate to others. Thank you very much for this and every day in our classroom, where we laugh, learn, amaze, and even cry together. Thank you, teachers. Thank you, principals. Thank you, school. We're also a part of a very important family in around, where we receive the first education a person can get. A place where we learn how to speak, to walk, to respect, to hug, and give and obtain love. This place that we call is home. And what makes this place so close and memorable is the people in it, our parents. To them, who made their best to send us to an outstanding institution to continue the legacy of education. To them, who made an effort to bring us every single day to school in the morning and pick us up at noon, tolerating the bright hot sun in the summer and the cold humidity in the winter. To them, who spent the night with us helping us to study. To them, who spent the whole weekend looking for an open paper store to buy us the material we forgot to ask for on Friday. But especially to them, our parents, who always were our #1 fans and #1 cheerleaders, giving us the confidence to believe in ourselves and knowledge. For all this and much, much more, thank you very much to our parents. And finally, to those who were our partners, conspirators, comrades, and sometimes all shoulders to cry in, almost brothers and sisters with no good connection, but a special one that will always attach us together. To class 2010, friends, buddies, thank you very much for sharing a part in a lifetime that will live in us forever. Never forget that wherever you go, you will take with you the name of our beloved school. Just show it with the light and make it feel proud, because you belong to the first generation of Colegio Cumbres. Thank you very much and enjoy these days as the rest of our lives. Thank you very much, everybody, and have a good day.
Muchas gracias a los compañeros que pasaron a decir sus palabras.